The Starlight Seeker's Quest by FeedTheFroggy.
In a coastal village where the sea met the sky, lived a young girl named Zara. She had dark curly hair that danced in the salty breeze, and eyes that sparkled like the ocean on a sunny day. Zara loved nothing more than gazing at the stars, dreaming of the adventures they might hold. One night, as Zara watched the sky from her window, she noticed something strange. The brightest star in the sky, the one she had wished upon countless times, was flickering. Suddenly, it fell from the heavens, leaving a trail of silver light as it plummeted towards the sea. Without hesitation, Zara grabbed her telescope and ran to the beach. There, floating in the shallow waters, was a glowing crystal star no bigger than her palm. As she picked it up, a tiny voice spoke. "Help us, Starlight Seeker. The night sky is losing its shine, and only you can restore it." Amazed, Zara learned that she had been chosen for a special quest. She needed to find 5 magical starlight crystals hidden across the land and sea to rekindle the sky's brilliance. The next morning, Zara set out on her journey. Her first stop was the Whispering Woods, where trees spoke in rustling whispers. Deep in the forest, she found an old wise owl named Hoot. "To find the crystal of courage," Hoot said, "you must face your greatest fear." Zara, who had always been afraid of heights, realized she needed to climb the tallest tree in the forest. With trembling hands but determined spirit, she climbed higher and higher until she reached the top. There, nestled in the highest branches, glowed the crystal of courage. Her next adventure took her to the Misty Mountains. As she climbed the winding paths, she met a lonely cloud giant named Cumulus. He was too shy to make friends with other giants. "The crystal of friendship is what you seek," he rumbled, "but it can only be found by those who know true companionship." Zara spent time with Cumulus, sharing stories and teaching him games. As they laughed together, the mist cleared, revealing the crystal of friendship shimmering on a nearby peak. The third crystal led Zara to the sunken city beneath the waves. With the help of a playful dolphin, she swam through coral mazes and ancient ruins. In the heart of the city, she found the crystal of wisdom guarded by a council of wise sea turtles. "To claim this crystal," they said, "you must solve our riddle." Zara thought hard and solved the puzzle, earning not just the crystal but also the turtles' respect. Her fourth challenge brought her to the Desert of Illusions, where nothing was as it seemed. Mirages shimmered in the heat, tricking her eyes. But Zara remembered the owl's lessons about trusting her instincts. By believing in herself, she saw through the illusions and found the crystal of truth half buried in the sand. The final crystal was the hardest to find. Zara's quest had taken her far from home, and she missed her family dearly. As she sat on a hill, feeling homesick, she realized the most powerful magic of all was love. At that moment, the crystal of love appeared, glowing warmly in her hands. With all 5 crystals collected, Zara returned to her village. She climbed to the highest cliff and held the crystals towards the sky. They floated from her hands, growing bigger and brighter until they became new stars, restoring the night sky's legendary brilliance. The village celebrated Zara's bravery and cleverness. From that day on, she became known as the Starlight Seeker, the girl who brought magic back to the night sky. And every evening, as she gazed at the stars she had restored, Zara smiled, knowing that great adventures await those brave enough to reach for the stars.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hit that subscribe button for more fun videos. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you next time.